but a man that reads his poetry out loud with his theatre. My poetry is an avalanche of feeling, and my theatre is a plethora of grandiosity. My grandiosity is an ocean in the bedroom hall, and my plethora is a chapel in the fourth wall. My ocean is a maze, and my avalanche is a matrix. But my author, Christ! My author is a tyrant! My author is leeching my body heat as an energy source. The wires are protruding from me, see? He is a draconian puppeteer. I'm here in the dirt, in the grit, in the gutter, in the mangroves, the limbs of protruding mangroves. And he wants to subjugate me. He would have them destroy me. Clearly my assets are modest, very modest. But I will never give up. My author, with all of his opacity, his grandiosity, his costumes and his masks, I ask this. Are experiences turned into fiction any less real? Am I the man he did not want me to be? Is he the man I did not want him to be? Does he wear the cloth of a man that has failed? Do I?